Hey, it's JP with Central Idaho Mountain Weather. It's June 26, 2024. And if you're liking this channel, share some love and donate on our coffee account. Today's outlook is scattered rain and afternoon thunder showers. I almost said snow showers. There'll be no snow in the forecast. It's going to be pretty warm today. Those thunder showers are going to pick up with that daytime heating in the afternoon. Highs are going to be in the lower 80s, so a little cooler than yesterday. We have a warm front coming through today with some southwest winds gusting up to 25 miles per hour. Tomorrow's going to be mostly sunny, definitely more clouds in the mix. Cooler temperatures with highs in the mid 70s. We've got a cold front coming through, so lots of cooler air for Thursday and Friday. It's going to be windy the further southeast you get towards Arco and the Pioneers and the Lost Rivers. It's going to be windier down there. Friday is going to still remain cool in the mid 70s and Saturday a ridge develops, so we're going to have really nice warm temperatures back in play. All right, looking around this morning. We're already into the 60s with that overnight cloud cover, keeping things warm. And almost into the 50s in Stanley. It's probably one of the warmest mornings you've seen all season. Mountaintops are in the mid 50s. All right, we're looking at a mid-level water vapor map. So this is kind of showing the warmer colors are showing more moisture. You can see it's kind of streaming in from the southwest right now. Our area of low pressure is located here, and that has a little bit, see if I can draw this. So we have a little bit of a warm front coming through today. And that means nothing, no big downpours besides what you're going to see in a thunder shower this afternoon. But you can see this real big difference in cooler air coming behind this area of low pressure where our cold front is, and our warmer air ahead of it. So one of the things we look for when we're looking at thunder showers, we need a trigger. So fronts are really good triggers for that, and that's what we got on the docket today with that warm front. We got some low level moisture, which is also what we need. And then instability in the atmosphere. So we have all three of those things lining up for us today. So that's why we're going to have those afternoon thunder showers. The one thing we are missing is shear. So it's not going to be tremendously big shear with this. And looking at the Doppler or the HRRR forecast this morning, you can see we have some moisture starting to come into the Wood River Valley. It's going to be pretty light, and then some on its way up into the Sawtooth and Stanley happening right around 8 a.m. Some yellow in there, so we will be seeing some pretty good rainfall, but short-lived because it's not a wide band. These are all pretty small. As we go through the day, it's just kind of scattered, and then as the afternoon picks up with that daytime heating, we'll see a couple of thunderstorms pick up later in the afternoon. You can kind of start to see those develop right around 4 to 6 o'clock. So we have one lined up for kind of Haley Bellevue, and then one coming through the Sawtooth into the Stanley area, and those kind of die out into the evening with still a couple chances to get some rain down south, maybe out towards Cary. All right, rainfall totals, looking at 1/4 inch in the Sawtooth, so nothing crazy. Like I said, this is a warm front, so this doesn't usually drop too much moisture with those fronts, but we do have a chance of rain throughout the forecast area. Temperatures, today's going to be that last day of warm temperatures before a cold front comes through tomorrow, knocks down temperatures for a couple days, and we pick back up with that southwest flow, bringing in warmer air. All right, looking at the GFS 500 millibar, you can see we're still, we're in southwest flow right now. That little low is off the coast and moving its way in. And that difference in warm and cold air is going to really spark that cold front tomorrow, bringing in lots of winds, but not really much moisture associated with that. After that thing moves through tomorrow, we start to begin to see ridging for Friday. It really amplifies into Saturday for that better weather. And then we have another trough coming through for Sunday. This one looks it looks a little bit drier. There's no associated area of low pressure with it. It's just a trough system. So we'll keep an eye on that for the weekend forecast.